Hi, Queens. Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're getting into one of the biggest questions every new creator asks. What should I charge for my first offer? Most people either undercharge because they're scared no one will buy, or they overprice because they want to look premium. But neither approach works if you don't understand how pricing works at the entry point of your brand. Here's the real strategy. When you're starting out, your price isn't just about how much money you want to make. It's about building trust, creating momentum, and stacking wins for you and for your customers. Your first price should be easy for your audience to say yes to, and easy for you to deliver insane value without feeling resentful or overwhelmed. You are not trying to get rich off your first product. You are trying to get proof, results, testimonials, momentum, and brand authority. That momentum will then make it easier to raise your prices later. But if you price too high too early without proof, you slow down your own growth. So, what should you charge? The sweet spot for a brand new digital offer usually falls between $27 and $97. It's low enough that your audience doesn't overthink it, but high enough that you start establishing yourself as someone who offers real, paid solutions, not just free advice. And here's the key. The number you choose should feel like a steal compared to the transformation you're offering. If someone can get a real solution to a real problem for under $100, they feel like they won. That emotional win creates loyalty. If you're offering a quick win digital product like a template pack, checklist, starter guide, or mini course, $27 to $47 is golden. If you're offering a slightly bigger transformation, like a deeper course or workshop, $67 to $97 works beautifully. And remember, you're not married to your first price forever. Your first price is simply your launch price. It gets you into the game. It gets you customers, feedback, testimonials, confidence, and then you adjust from there. Final tip. Your first price is about momentum, not perfection. Start smart, start simple, and let your brand's value grow. Because the better you deliver, the easier it is to raise your prices later without resistance.